Why is a sewer scope so critical? How much does it cost? And how does it make you a rock star? Hi, welcome to In and Outs, where we bring you, the real estate professional, very short videos on nuggets of information that you're not normally trained on, but could be critical during negotiation and inspection time, and make you look like an informed rock star. Informative and short, in order to get you in and out. What is sewer scoping? It's the best thing since sliced bread and infrared. It's literally running a camera down your waistlines. It's kind of like a colonoscopy for the house. But we're able to find defects that nobody else can find. You must have a camera in order to identify the interior condition of these pipes. There is no other way. Okay, we will find bellies where water and debris accumulate, and then the pipe is prone to clogging. We will find cracks that enable root intrusion. We will find heavy scaling, especially on cast iron pipe. Now, it's not just recommended for old cast iron pipes, but highly recommended for cast iron pipes. With newer pipes, we often find construction debris and mortar, things like that, that have been flushed down the shower drains when the house was constructed, or maybe there's been some rehab going on. Sometimes vehicles have parked over and damaged lines. So we recommend it for all types of piping. Now, when repair needs to be done, this is typically a thousands game. It's not inexpensive. The advantage is when we can scope a pipe, there's a sonde on the camera where we can locate exactly where that camera head is. So when we find an issue, we can mark it and the plumber knows exactly where to go, therefore saving you money. Sometimes repairs can be done without digging up the pipe. There's a cured-in-place plumbing process, and we know a contractor, a local contractor, that can handle that for you. Plus, when you have the scope done in conjunction with the full home inspection, our sewer guard warranty is extended to a full year on that house. And the cost? Most houses are less than $300, which is going to be very competitive. Matter of fact, we beat many plumbers in that price range. So I highly recommend anybody buying a house, or even if you're just a homeowner that have never had it done, highly recommend getting your sewer lines scoped. Hey, if you like these videos, click the like button. We appreciate it. If you've got some specific content that you'd like to see, contact us. We'll do our best to get it in, because the more you know, the more you're worth.